Okay, this is part two, second half, 2 o'clock. We had a nice big run up. This is the weekly chart. So I'm looking at the weekly. Do we make it up back to the 7,600? Or do we get sell off like we did in a few prior weeks? This is 7601. This is the high on here is 99 a quarter, and right here is 93.75. So we did come above this 93.75. This is the weekly chart, so I'm gonna stretch it. We dipped above this 93.75, and we went as high as we got up to 95. So this is 95, and back under this 93. I'm here because this is a massive push, and just to show you, where's my 4-hour bar? My 4-hour chart is here. And pull up my 4-hour chart. Look at my 4-hour chart right here. So this is my 4-hour chart. And so the 4-hour chart, we got, look at this 4-hour bar, how far it moved up. If this retraces back, I can at least get 10 points to get one trade. This low is 90. And if we break 90, we don't start to keep pushing up into the 7,600. 90 on this is lower time frame. We got 95, 96. So between that 90 and hitting that's 59. I mean 7,600. I'm thinking 59.99, 75.99. You know, 7601. It's possible to just retrace back down 10 points, and I'm thinking I might try to get it. I might take it. 15-minute bar band has been has been holding up a little bit, but it's not making the new highs, and we bounced off of this level here, this 87. I don't know, we may just retrace and dump this 4-hour bar. Let's see if it holds up, or if it's gonna just make a run down and go back into the red. This weekly chart go back into the red. Don't know, but I think it's worth a shot. Keep tight stops. What's this high? If we don't come up, this high is 92. This is a cheap trade if it breaks 90, because if it goes above and breaks the high, then I know I'm on the wrong side. I'd rather see it break up, take out the high, and then fail. I would like to see it break the high at 92.75 and then fail for the short. I want to see it come at least pull back and then fail. Test back this 93 high last week and then fail. They're gonna squeeze some out. It's just, if you get in early, or are they going to? It's a cheap trade. I want to be in at 90 to 80, but order cancel. But I want to see it pull back first. I want to see it pull back. How is it going to go down, pull back up, and then turn around? Get some buying in here. We tested this 87 and got bought back up. Get some buying in here. Get some buying in here. That's a lower. I mean a higher low. Get some buying in here. There you go. I want to see it at least go up and fail. I don't want it to just fail first. Let's see a retest. Okay, here we go. And now if it go up, it may be a long. And then if it fell, I'll go short. But this high is 92.75. We're making lower lows. We close lower, close lower. The question is, if it does, when? If it does, when? Or we just keep, well, this goes up into 76.10. This forward bar keeps pushing higher, breaks new highs, and gets to 76.10. Or at least 76. So this is the two options I have. This high was 73. Okay. I like it for the long if we can go. It hasn't been doing for the long, it hasn't been pushing very fast. Hasn't been moving fast. It's slow grind up. So yeah, just popping and pull back. Slow grind up. And down on the 15-minute bar, we just got, look at this inside bar. The high on this 15-minute bar is 95, the low is 88. Yeah, about 7-point move. Coming back into a open and close. Open at 92 and close at 91. So the 91, 92 is 90, 93, just say between 90 and 93 is little balance area that they want to be in. That they've been holding this price in 92, 93, 92, 93. Let's see. Do we just go sideways, or do they want to give us 7,600? Do they want to touch 7,600? Do we want to break down the low of this 4-hour bar at 89.50? Can we get 79, 10 points? From 89 to 79 would be here. I said not from 89. From 90. Well, yeah, 89.50, or if it break this 89. 89.50. 79.25 will be here. We have to retrace this bar. Come back down to retrace this bar here to 80. This is what I wanted to see, if it makes a new high on this 4-hour bar and then fails. And then fails. That's what I wanted to see, if it did something like this and fails. Come back up. And hopefully not shaking between here, just, longs get long, then they rip them down, stop them out. Shorts get short, and then buying up, buy them up. Let me see something. I'm gonna change this real quick. 2 hour, 2 minute, right? Then change it back to 3 minutes. Now, when I do that, this is what happens. This is why I do it, because now you see the orders. For some reason, they get lighter or they go away. You really can't see the large orders. But this is the orders that's on the side. 95. Got the order 102 at 95, trying to hold up. One of these sides going to go. There's a move to be made. There's a trade to be made. Just got to figure out which side and a good entry and time, because that's what it's going to boil you down to. Entry and timing. But it's going to go one way. It's going to go one way. It's going to go one way. And the other. Or the other. One way or the other. So let's see. Okay. Another 15-minute bar. Look like it's trying to have to get. This is weekly chart. It has to get over this and then get to 7,600. But along the way on the daily chart, on the 4-hour chart, we got some resistance. 95, 96, between 95 and 97. I'm gonna say 95 and 97. 2-point 95, 2-point resistance between 95 and 97 on this 4-hour chart. If I did this like this, let me get my drawing tools, right? Just highlight. If I highlighted 97 to 95 right here, the top of this bar, somewhere around here. It's probably not perfect, but this is the area. Have to get through to see 7,600 up here. Now, do I want to take that 95, try to get through here to break the 97 to get up into this 7,600? Is it worth it? Or is the risk to the risk to the is the risk to the downside? The risk to the downside is the risk to the upside. We're in the green. We're in the green for the 64 points. Looking at the weekly chart. In the weekly chart, we have to stay above this. We have to get above 93.75 on a weekly, and then the next target is 76. It didn't even touch 76. Hasn't touched 7,600 in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, it hasn't even touched 7,600. Well, this week it did. It went to 76.02. So do we get to 76.02 to retest the high of the week, at least? That seems a target to hit, the high of the week, to go for, to shoot for. High of the week. Will we hit the high of the week today? We got another 15-minute bar just opened up. So this 15-minute bar be the 352 sitting up there. Don't know if it's to cover a long position or if it's a short, but we got some offers up there. They're offering 351. Got some resting orders. Okay, there we go. Is this the fail? Is this the high? 94 and then the fail. Let's see what's happening. We got higher highs here. High lows, higher lows. We in this little pennant right now. 15-minute bar didn't make new highs. Will we make new lows? Or do we have to come get some orders under here? What we say, come run the stops, grab liquidity or whatever under this bar. You know, and squeeze them higher. Squeeze higher. We're up in this blue. See this blue box here? I drew this a while on. This is drew on back. So if I go to a higher time frame, it'll show. Let me see if I could do it without missing any on. If I go to a 60-minute and I squeeze in, you can see that this was made back here where there was the rejection at from the close to the wick. And that's where I got, and that's where we at now, at this rejection spot. See, on a 4-hour chart, well, this is 60-minute, but you see where this is a rejection area up here. So if this got rejected here, blue hit, it blew through, but it got rejected. This is 87, and that's where we bounced off last time. This low was 88. So this area could hold as some support. So we came to the bottom on an out 60-minute chart. We came to the bottom. It's not even, but we came to the bottom of this area. But and this is just the area that's buyers has been stepping in. $88 and 87. You see, we got orders. See these orders, 4,200 contracts traded right here. So 87 even trading this area. And I don't want to take the break of 87 because I want to try to Here we go. And it may go. This may be it. This may be it. I don't want to get shaken out though. As soon as you think it's time to go, they pull back. I like the flower bar. I like how this was the trade I was waiting for. I wanted it to go up a little higher, come down and break low, but I don't want to still get chopped out. Might not be ready to go. Point of control moved back up to 92. We could range bound between 90 and 93, but we could break down. I don't want to I got chopped out earlier. I mean, I still took the trade. It was a good trade. It did, you know, it did go fall down because I was looking for the short. It did fall, but I was in early a couple of times. I was in too early. See, I took short at 90. Probably got stopped out at 92. This open is 91.25. This close is 91.50. So I could short against that 92. Okay, I'm gonna move this over here. We don't need to see that. We know what the forward bar looking like. What just happened? Oh, we going down.
Order submitted.
Is it ready yet? That's the thing. We still early. Is it ready yet, or is it just didn't go up and it rolling over? You're gonna have some support at 88, 87. Are the buyers gonna give up? Slow grind down. I want to see a pop too. That shakeout bar. They're gonna shake out. I want to see the shakeout bar before they dump. This could be kind of a shakeout bar, but I want to see a shakeout bar, a pop, where it just shakes out all the weak positions that want to go short. It might not happen. They're gonna let it go. 88, 87. This 87 is where do we get a bounce at 87, or it's gonna get some type of bounce at 87? 87.50. 88. Is it gonna get above 88? Is it gonna get above 88? That's this low right here, this 88. Got some orders trying to say, look, we here at 86. That 4-hour bar is looking nice and heavy. Let's see what happened. Let's see. Don't have a wide channel. Because if it go, it can let go. This weekly could turn back red. Not sure if it's going to, but see, after this 87, this open space right here, come back down at 82. It's not 10 points, but I can get the first target at 4 points. Go. This is supposed to be my 15-minute chart. I know they like let it go. They're like, come on, let it go. They're like, let it go. Like, let it go. Because when it go, you can come back down into this. I guess they would call this a fair value gap. I guess. $88. We haven't retested 90. I would like to see a rotation. Well, this didn't rotate back up, so that was definitely weakness right here at 90. But I would see this rotate back up. If it's a short, to rotate back up and roll back over. A 15-minute bar just opened up. Okay. Now, if I make a channel, it's a very if we follow the channel down, it's gonna be like this. So that means for it to come down, it's gonna take some time. It's gonna have to move slowly, but I don't know. Made a low, made a lower low, to keep popping up. High 90, hit 90.75. I know they know that somebody is squatting. I know they know that somebody is squatting. Somebody's squatting like Kali. It could form a bull flag and hold this level and run up 76.10. But we got this 4-hour bar that's hanging near this low, this break. We can get back down into the 80, 77, 76. 77 has a lot of trading down here. At that level, right now the orders, they're hanging up. They're hanging in here. Hanging closer to the high. Hanging closer to the high, 95. I want this short, so maybe I should go long. I go long and you know what's gonna happen. They're gonna push it short. And then I just, let's go. Jump on the train. Do we ride the 9 train? We got the 9 train here. Here we go. Got orders trying to step in front of this 87. $85.25. Okay. So 81, 85.25, and then this low is 67. I mean, I don't want the low. I want the open is 80. Here we go. Look like
orders submitted.
Look like we going. Do we go? Look like they buying down here. They holding that.
Order canceled.
They holding this. Are they? No, they're not. Okay, little bit. 86.50. Back to 87. Back to 87. Now we got to get over 87 to hold over 87. If not, then this can go. What low is this? This low is 85. I can get 4 points. I can at least get 4 points on this push down. Back over 87. I go at 87, 4,000 contracts traded, almost 5,000, 4,700. These buyers stepping in front of 85, 85, 85. Stepping in front of 85. Let's see if we ride the 9 train. All aboard. 90. It's below 90. All aboard. All aboard. $85 break to 75, back down to the yellow line. Okay, it's holding up. Back to 87, 5,000. 5,000 contracts at this 87. 92. 92 got 92 quarter got 6,000, 7,000 up in here. Like this. Once these out of the way, if those get out of the way,
Order submitted. Order filled.
okay. It didn't clear all of them, and I may have gotten in on where I should have bought. I may have gotten in on a where this should have been bought. Maybe not yet. It's probably, look at that. I don't want to see that. That squeeze. Yeah. I like it squeezing. Come on. Thought I was on the right side of the dump. Should have let the 85 break. Should at least let the 85 break. Get these orders, clear these orders out first. Can it clear the 85? It's shaking. Okay, next bar opened up. I don't like that wick down the way it's wicking.
Order filled.
Okay. Alright. Bought it where, sold it where it should have been buying it. Just looking for this breakdown. Not yet. They said not yet. They say not yet. Next 15-minute bar opens up. We under the non-train. Under the non-train. Fifteen-minute bar opened up. want to see it take out these orders. I don't want to. I may miss it because if it take out these orders, it may flush. But I don't want to be in it now on the side of these orders. Hold it up and push the price back up. So I tested it the first time and it held. So these orders is holding. We're still riding the 9 train. That's good. That's high. Now, this needs a rotation and a rollover. I like to see this rotate up and roll over. They may do it at the end of the trading day. If it does happen. When did we get a bull flag? Get back above 90. And this could be a turn up. All right, we came down. Now we consolidate in this area between 88 and 85. Let's say 89, 90, and 85. Let me see if we have a channel here. Traded 6,500 contracts at 87. Just consolidating here. We are consolidating off the highs. We did make lower highs. Hold on. Right now, you're getting bought up off these lows. There's less orders here. It's just one big order, but there's less orders at this 85. Okay, there we go. Now they're stepping in. Buy bidders coming in. Sitting on bids. There go that 85. Boom. Taken out. Taken out till we get back above it.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay. Let's see if we get.
Order canceled.
Hope this trend line don't hold. At the bottom of the channel. Now I don't want to go short at the bottom of the channel. Maybe I should move it out the way. Huh? Maybe I move it. It'll go. It's okay. It's out the way. What the next 3-minute bar? Come on. I'm relying on the 4-hour chart, 4-hour bar to get it. It's not breaking. That's not opening up at a good spot, because that can open up and move up. Okay, we're just moving down. What's the low of this bar? 83. And it's not moving fast. We can have some support right here. I should have two. See, why did they mix my two up? It should be one at 4 points and one at 10. I'm gonna let 84. And this is not going. I don't like that. And it's not really going. It's just sitting here. Really. Where's 75? 68. 75 is where. If we can get to 75. If I have to take the 2. It's not breaking. It's not making no lows. Hasn't made a new low yet. Hasn't made a new low.
Order fell.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Shake 'em out, shake 'em out, shake 'em out, shake 'em.
Order submitted. Order fell.
Go, stop playing.
Order canceled.
Come on. Come on, let's go. This could dump, or this could make higher highs and start going higher, 85.50. I could see if it don't make any like long moves, it can kind of pull back. It can pull back, get here, and make higher highs, but it's coming down slow. No dumps. But I think we can get to them. 75.50. $77. On the forward chart, I got 74, 75. But it's not coming down. It's not giving any, it's not giving any dumps. Come on. They still trying to buy it up. They still trying to buy it up. No dump yet. This open was what? 80 quarters, so we got to get past this open. If we get past this open, and this low is 67. Wow. Oh, this is the back end, and we done for the day. This is the back end. We done for the day. Don't want to get the shakeout pop. Don't want that. We done for the day. Let it go. And so if I go on a time, if I say I'm taking a time stop, just getting out because of the time, then I get out and then it'll start making moves down. Come on. We're done for the day. Just let it go. 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 The high on this bar is what? 85.50. It's not going. Just go. Stop trying to hold it up. Let it go. Let it go. We want to get back to the bottom of this bar, 80 at least. Crack the 80. Yeah. Either this bar goes down or it holds up. This 3-minute bar has the crack, or come on. This 3-minute bar has the crack. If this 3-minute bar doesn't crack new lows, it's not cracking the lows. I see water stepping in at 83.50. Okay, get it out the way. Come on. Let that be a shakeout pop. Let that be a shakeout pop. And then come on. Shakeout pop. Still riding the 8 train. Still riding the 8 train and dump. Come on, shakeout bar, pop, and dump. Ride the 8 train down. Ride the 8 train down. Ride that 8 train down. Ride it. Come on. Ride the 8 train on down. The 9 train. I say 8 train. 9 train. Ride the 9 train down. There we go. Ride that 9 train down. Ride it down. It's heavy. 4-hour bar is heavy. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. We come down to gotta get past 80. Gotta crack 80. We have to crack 80. Oh, this is right here. Look at this. This is where we're gonna stall out at this 80. This 80 gonna stall out right here. This 80 gonna try to come back. I'm gonna try to hold on, but I know this 80 is gonna have some resistance. I mean some support here. Trying to hold on. Trying to hold on. We know the high of the day is in. The high of the day is in so far. The high of the day is in. May have to take some heat at this 80. But the high of the day is in. 77 may be the ideal location for to get out. I'm holding on. I'm holding on. See if we can break 80. It's still early. That 80, I know that 80 is gonna have some resistance. I mean some support here. Just let's see if we can crack it, that 80. Yeah, so far, we still riding the 8 train. The 9 train. I keep saying the 8 train because I used to have the 8 moving average. Now it's the 9. Still riding the 9. The 9 train. We closed higher. That's the only thing. We closed higher. That's what I don't like. We did have a higher close. $85.50.